clarified that, have you?
I should bloody tell them it anyway. That's only if they ring me up.
Right. This is advertising like through what they give other people.
Yeah.
Right.
You know, like that folder we got when we come here. Well, that folder they give you actually when you wanted to rent.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's in there, and he's like, "Well, where do you want to be?" And I said, "Inside front page." And I got spread across like that quarter page.
Because I asked you yesterday, didn't I, how much fat he paid to do his.
He paid £800 to go top of the list in Google for a month or so.
What are you doing, Bird?
And this is for 2 years. And it will be in 2 offices. So it's not like one's High Street and the other one's Commercial Road. One's in Swindon, one's in Fairford. So that's 2 different places.
Yeah.
And it's all the rent, mortgage, the renters and the tenants. Anyone that applies for a mortgage